So you want to make a chart in Google Sheets. The first thing that you need to do is enter your data. I've copied some data and I'm just going to put that in. You can see that I've got a label for my my chart, and I've got the different items here. I could also add a little disclaimer in inches, weight, in pounds, etc. And then what you do is you just select your data. Okay, so I've selected all my data because I'm going to make a graph there. Then all I'm going to come to is insert, and then I'm going to insert a chart. Now sometimes it takes a little time. There it is right there. And you can see that it's got this title here, which I don't really like. So I can come over here to my chart editor, and you can see that I have a column chart. Now, maybe I want to do a different kind of a chart. So this is where you get to choose. Now, there's all different kinds of charts and graphs. However, what you need to know is you need to use the correct kind of graph for the data that you are using. So the y-axis is pumpkins, so you can see that I've got the names of my pumpkins. And then, let's see here, we've got height in inches, weight in pounds. Okay, so I can switch the rows and the columns. So you can see that now I have the different information here. And I can use row 1 as labels, which I have, or I can turn that off. I can use column A as headers. So you can do a lot of different kinds of things. I can customize the horizontal axis. I can change the font. Let's just change it to something that's easy to see. And I am not seeing where I have my title. Okay. Oh, it's right here. Sorry. And but that doesn't work. That doesn't work with the switch the rows and the columns. I need to unswitch that because these are the pumpkins, and you can see that maybe I want to take this one out as well. So let's see if I can do that. So there. So I just did that. So if I need to come back and edit my chart, I can come right here to edit chart. I can delete my chart, save the image, save this chart as an image, put it in something else, publish my chart, copy it, move it to its own sheet, etc. So let's just say you also want to just have a graph with just this column, and if you hold the control key down, and let's do the circumference. So if I do that, I save those two columns right there. I can come into insert, chart, and it's going to take a little time. There it is. And now you can see that I have my circumference for happy, sleepy, and fatso. And so I can, again, customize it. I can switch the rows and the columns if I want to. I can use column A as headers. So all those different options that I have, I can change where the legend is. I can put this on the inside, but let's put it on the bottom. And all kinds of different things. Change my font again. Let's go to Comic Sans. So you have a lot of choices, and that's basically how you put data in. And again, to the chart type here, that's where you get to choose. So let's go ahead and do that. That doesn't work, does it? So I can have whatever kind of chart that I would like, but that's where you get your charts. I think that the bar graph is going to work the best on, or a column graph is going to work the best for this kind of data. Have fun.